Good evening, Professor. My name is Wang Yayun. Here is my presentation. My presentation has 4 parts. First is about question and to explain the question in the short run and in the medium term. First, we can see the question in the page. It's about talking about the government will increase in current taxes and is expected to maintain it in the future. About this question, we first to explain what is RSCO. RSCO is a line that illustrates the relationship between national income Y and the interest rate R when the product market reaches equilibrium. From the RS model, the exchange of fiscal policy is effected on the change of government revenue and expenditure and makes the RS curve move. There are 2 kinds of fiscal policies: the expansionary fiscal policy and the contractionary fiscal policy. The expansionary fiscal policy are increasing fiscal spending and reducing taxes. The contractionary fiscal policies are reducing fiscal spending and increasing taxes. According to the question, the government proposed an increased taxes. The government used a tightening fiscal policy. The ISLM curve shifts to the left. Let's see the picture in the next page. From the right side of the picture, we can see that the IS curve, IS1 move left to IS2 because we can see that at the initial equilibrium at point E, the output is Y1 and the interest rate is R0 because the government increased the taxes, which is a tight fiscal policy, reduce the income, the investing, and the consumption, so reduce the output. According to the graph, the output reduced from Y1 to Y2. But at that time, the interest rate is still at R0. The LM is not changed, it keeps constant, but the IS curve shifts to the left. In the medium term, as I mentioned earlier, the government increased the taxes which decrease the investment, the income, the consumption, and decrease the output from Y1 to Y2. But the government wants to keep the output at the initial equilibrium's output at Y1. So the government will use the expansionary money policy, which is increasing the money supply, which lowers the interest rates. From the picture, we can see the LM curve get down from LM to LM1. The new equilibrium point is at E2, and the rate is get down from R0 to R1. Finally, in conclusion, we can see that in the short run, the tightening fiscal policy will decrease the output. The RS curve will shift to the left, but the LM curve will keep constant. The interest rate unchanged. In medium term, the government wants to keep the output at the initial situation. Use the expansionary monetary policy, which will lower the interest rate. The LM curve move down. That's all. Thank you.